Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo2, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this REALME device. Start by going to Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing iOS Launcher. Now install this completely free app from this developer and just open. Now wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, select Allow in them. Then choose Home button, tap on iOS Launcher, choose Don't Ask Again, click on iOS Launcher one more time and tap on Got It. And now, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. You can also switch between your launchers by going into Device Settings, here, scrolling down, selecting App Management, choosing Default Apps and clicking on the Home app. If you wish to go back to the Android one, choose System Launcher. And now the iOS one is gone. If you wish to go back into the Apple one, just tap on iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!